In front of me is Nothing Phone 4A, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Safety and Emergency. Now choose Emergency Contacts. Click on Change Settings over here and make sure this switcher next to Show When Locked is enabled. Without it, your emergency info won't be accessible from locked screen. So double check, go back and add your contacts by selecting Add Contact here and tapping on a chosen one. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to manage your contacts, click on those three dots next to the chosen one. Then select Move Up, Move Down, or Remove. If you decided to tap on Remove, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Your contact won't be deleted from your phone, only from this list. So now, let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can tap on Emergency at the bottom left corner. Now it's time to swipe this blue icon to the right and see your emergency contact over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!